everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Hello everyone, very tasty and delicious keema recipe. I'm going to share with you how to make delicious beef keema recipe. Let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious and easy and simple keema recipe. I'm going to make a beef keema, and the keema I will make it with matar, which is sweet peas. The beef keema I'm going to make, which is a ground beef, and I have it's a 3-pound ground beef, and it's a 93% lean and 7% fat. Then I'm going to use the sweet peas. These are green peas, and I'm going to use 1 cup. And the other ingredients, what I'm going to use, that I'm going to share with you. Ground beef, this is 3 pound, and I'm using 93% lean and only 7% fat. To make it tasty and delicious, please don't use 20% fat. Use 7% only. 1 large onion, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and we're going to use the green peas, which is 1 cup, and the ginger, 3 teaspoons, and 2 teaspoons garlic. Garlic you always can adjust to your taste. And 2 green chilies, finely chopped cilantro, olive oil for tadka, and spices from masala dabba. And let's get started. Start burner and get a karahi or big pot or vessel, whatever you have available. Add olive oil. 2 tablespoons. As the oil start to heat up, add 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds. My burner is real fast, so 10 seconds is good enough. Add ginger, garlic at the same time. Give like 30 seconds. We don't want to cook too long. If your burner is low, then cook for like a minute or so. Cooking for 30 seconds. Now add onion. This is the bad thing about these kadais. They heat up real fast. So wear gloves so won't get burn yourself. And now we're going to cook onions really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking until they get nicely translucent. The onions are nicely brown. Now add green chili. You don't want to cook too long. You want to keep the green chili fresh. So just give like a 20-30 seconds. Just mix it a couple times. This is good. Now add tomatoes. I'll turn the pan on. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, then add tomato sauce. After mixing it well, bring your temperature to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover it for 3 minutes so that tomatoes get tender. It's exactly 3 minutes with the cover lid. I'll open it. Mix it. And if you see, the tomatoes are tender. You can mash the tomatoes at this moment, or you can leave it as is. When we're going to cook the keema, they will combine it really well at that moment. So leave it as is. Now we're going to add spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, garam masala 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon black pepper, and salt is always to taste. So 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Cook the spices along with tadka for a half minute. We are still cooking on medium flame. Cooking spices for a half minute. Now add keema. And mix it well. Now bring your gas temperature to high and cook it on high gas until it's fully cooked. Keep mixing and keep cooking. Keep breaking like this. I'm going to turn the fan on. I will keep cooking. Just keep breaking, keep mixing. I have to turn the fan off so you can hear me well. As you can see, it only took me 3 minutes and it's already started to look good. So again, depending on your burner, it could take you 5 minutes or 6 minutes or a little longer. But with the big burner, within 3 minutes, it's a halfway cook. Once the oil starts to ooze out, that means it's fully cooked. So now altogether cooking for 4 minutes. Now it's the time to bring the peas. So we're going to add sweet peas. And these sweet peas are frozen. So mix it well. And it's a 1 cup. You can add more if you like, but this is perfect. After mixing it well, now we're going to bring the temperature to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes. Cooking with the cover lid on medium gas. Turn the fan off. Now we're going to bring the gas on high and mix it well. The sweet peas don't take that long to cook. 5 minutes is good. If you see any lump like this, you can still break it. As you can see, it looks like there is no more water, but I see the water content in there. If we bring the keema on the side, and as you can see, the oil start to ooze out and the water is there too. Now on a high flame, cook it until it dries out. So that can take 2-3 minutes. So keep it moving and keep cooking. With open lid on a high flame, cooking for 3 minutes. And if we notice now, if I move the keema on the side, that's where the oil starts to ooze out. There is no more water content. So it's fully cooked. And now we're going to bring the last ingredient, cilantro, which is dhania. Good amount of cilantro. So once it's nicely incorporated, our dish is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and I will dish out. This is very easy to make and quick recipe, and it's very delicious. You can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, bread, tortilla, even with the rice pulao. This is perfect. This is very delicious. You always can serve this dish as a main course dish, and let me share with you. Prior to serving, lemon juice, and this is a perfect beef keema. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.